This is a fish I caught last night. It's stiff as a board. It was a beautiful fish.
Do you know why you killed him?
I didn't kill him. My dad did. It was a beautiful 3.5. Logan said 3.5 pounder Unskis.
It had to be killed though, right?
Yeah, it was a vicious animal. Rest in peace. He swallowed the hook. We had to kill him. Beautiful fish. Sam caught a fish, guys. Round of applause for Sam. He's better than everyone. Wait, let me get close. Oh, dang. That's a nice fish. How big is that? Like a pound? That is a good fish. That is a nice fish. Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go.
Come on. Stop it. It's okay. Oh, he's small. That's largemouth bass. This is a medium mouth bass. It's okay, guys. He's on his phone with his girlfriend. Woo! It's a nice, little under a pounder. Beautiful fish. Have a good day, bro. There we go. First fish of the day, boys. Feels like a beauty. It is a beauty. Oh, didn't even do an intro and I caught a fish already, man. Don't swim in there. That's a nice fish. Look at that, guys. Didn't even do an intro yet. It's so nice catching fish here. Where'd you see that fish? That is a nice little fishy. But yeah, I love fishing at Tullamutto, dude. Look at that. First fish of the day. Hell, first fish of the season. It's a nice little fishy poo. Like half a pound. Make sure the camera can see this. Bye, buddy. Damn, they dart. Yeah. She like how I smell, cologne. She playing with my balls, cologne. She licking my ass, cologne. She licking my nuts, cologne. If I get a fish, you want to beat to death with that stick?
Yes.
Alright. A professional fisherman does it. This is how professional does it. Hell yeah, get over here, bitch. Go back down. Yep, there you go. Nope, stop. Damn it, dude. Did you see? Yeah. Beautiful cast, Mitch. Jesus Christ, you suck. Last cast of the day before my GoPro dies. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Dude, the camera lit it. I think you got it. Stop. Look at this fish. Oh my God, big fish. There we go. Yep.
That one looks a bit bigger.
So, that's what she said. It's in a bad spot, the hook, for me to grab it. Got it? Oh, yeah. Camera told me you get that, yep. Beautiful. Beautiful fisherini, jeez. That got smell, come on. There we go. It's gone. Come here. I'm gonna get you a hog real quick. Can't believe you fell for it, dude. Oldest trick in the fucking book. Yeah. Fuck yeah. That's going on YouTube. Fuck yeah. It's a good fish. What'd you say that is, Mitch? Alright, now show the camera your nuts.
Pound.
Dude. Oh shit, I tore a huge hole in his cheek though.
Did you? Oh shit.
Whatever. Watch this. Easy out. Yep.
Easy. Like
It's a beautiful fish.
Yeah, huck that shit back.
Beautiful day. Fuck yeah. You taking a video?
Yeah.
Alright, this is the last fish of the day, guys. Look at that. That's like a pound.
Yeah,
Easily a
sure.
pound. Dude, that's a sweet pretty.
That's like
that's
identical to the last one.
I know. People are gonna think it's the same. No, but I threw it back on camera. I'm
Yeah,
about to throw
yeah.
this one back so they know it's not the same
No, throw
fish.
this one back.
Wait, I'm trying to get the fuck out. Ah, come on, there we go.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh fuck yeah.
Throw the
Dude,
fish back.
that's a nice way to end the fucking day.
Throw it
I
back.
need to stop swearing. That's a nice way to end the day. That's like a nice
Out of
pound of fish
It's nice.
right there.
Throw it back.
That's my 5th fish of the day, guys.
Huck
5
it.
fish. That is 5 fish. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I'll leave a link to Mitch's YouTube channel or Instagram or
I
whatever.
don't have one.
In the Instagram.
Yeah.
I'll leave a link to your Instagram in the description below. Like, subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful weekend.